Refer to Section 5 of the construction guide for all measurements shown here. In this video, we are going to set up the left and right side folding legs that comes included in the hardware kit. Remember that you have the option of rounding the footer ends of the side rails, parts D. In this video we have opted to round the side rails parts D as shown here. Measure and mark according to the measurements shown in Section 5 of the construction guide to set up the folding legs. Do this for the left and right side rails. Make sure the side rails have the right side of the side rails facing up for the legs. The legs go on the inner side of the side rails. You can use a carpenter square to help with marking the side rails. Double check to make sure the measurements are correct before moving on to the next step. Using a 5/8 of an inch Forstner drill bit, drill approximately 1/2 inch deep in the center of the pencil marks. The nut on the back of the leg plate will go into the 5/8 inch hole on the side rails. Try the leg to see if the nut fits all the way in the hole. You may have to drill a little more. Do the same for the other side rail. Use a carpenter square to square the leg plate on the side rail. With a pencil, mark the 3 holes on the leg plate on the side rail. The top of the leg plate will be flush with the finished top of the side rails. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill all the way through the side rails in the center of the pencil marks. Grab 6 T-nuts and 6 machine screws from the hardware bag included with the kit. Flip the side rails so the outer side is facing up. Insert the T-nuts into the 1/4 inch holes. Flip the side rails again so the inner side is facing up. Place the leg plates on the side rails and drive a machine screw into each T-nut to secure the legs to the side rails. After driving the screws to secure the folding legs to the side rails, use a 5/32 Allen key to tighten the T-nuts. You may use painting tape to secure the legs to the side rails to make it easier to mount the side rails to the bed frame in Section 8. The other option is to remove the legs and install them later at the end of the bed assembly. It is a good idea to put the screws back in the T-nuts to avoid losing them. The side rails are now ready to be attached to the bed frame in Section 8.